Hello, magical souls, and welcome to your week 4 of your magnificent manifestation masterclass. I am abundantly thrilled to be here with you today because this week we are unlocking the universe's most potent tools for you to start manifesting your wildest dreams. Are you ready for some enchanting manifestation? Let's make magic happen. Before we venture into these incredible techniques and methods, let me remind you of something very essential. It is important for you to take your time with the upcoming methods. The more detailed and heartfelt of your manifestations, the more potent they become. So let's dive in with open hearts and open minds, leaving no detail unexplored as we craft our destiny with intention and love. Let's start with the universe order form, the catalog of your desires. Powerful creators, you know how you order things online? You put in your order, you have it in your shopping cart, and you press send to your home when you are complete with your order and you've gone on with your day. You usually don't check it anymore because you know that it is coming. Your new clothes, your Amazon order, whatever it is you ordered online, you know that it's coming to your house very soon. You don't go back and check and ask when and where and why, all these questions. You just know that it's gonna be at your house very soon. So with your order form, I want you to have that same mentality. I want you to write down in detail everything that you desire. Do not hold back. When filling out the order form, remember the golden rule. Feeling is the secret. Connect with the emotions of already having your desires. Whether it's abundance, love, or success, or anything else, when you connect with the feeling, you are connecting with the reality of it. And with this connection, the faster the universe will align it with your reality. Now it's time to identify your goals. This is one of my favorite techniques when I'm confused on my desires and what I really want in this life. In the first corner of your square, you're going to write an affirmation confirming your desire using past tense. In the second corner, you're going to write an end scene. What is your life like now that you have your desire? What are you doing? What are you seeing? What are you being now that you have your desire? In the third corner, I want you to write your feelings. How do you feel now that you have your desire? Are you excited, thrilled, relieved? In the fourth corner, write down ways you are going to let go and allow the universe to do what it needs to do to bring your desires into your reality. In the center of the square, I want you to set your timer for 60 seconds and visualize already having your desire. What are you seeing in this visualization? Whatever you do see, I want you to write it all down. Next, you're going to circle everything you saw in your visualization and then put a star beside it because you are a star. You created this identity and you are living in it even if it doesn't feel like it just yet. You are truly living out your manifestations even right now. Next is the power of love technique. I love this because it really shows how powerful love is. So I want you to write down a few affirmations and start them with the words I love and relate them to your desires and manifestation. So if you are desiring more abundance in your life, you're going to say, I love that I can pay all my bills freely. I love that I can pay for other people's dinners. I love that I was able to buy my mom a new car. These are how you create your I love affirmations. Begin every affirmation with I love. Let's explore the fascinating specific person technique. This is a heartwarming technique that brings that specific person into your life. Whether it's rekindling an old connection or attracting a new friendship, this technique works wonders. Focus on the qualities of the person you wish to have in your life and let the universe work its magic to bring you together. In this technique, you're going to write down 6 qualities and traits you desire to have in your specific person. Even if it's someone you know or don't know, I want you to write down the qualities you desire for them to have. Do you want them to be kind, generous, loyal? Think of those types of qualities and be specific. Do not hold back. And the affirmation of the week is, I love being my authentic self. I accept myself just as I am. It's so much fun being me. And don't forget to do your week 4 recap. This is going to align with the love techniques and the affirmations and identifying what you truly want and more. Remember, affirmations are daily mantras of our dreams, so keep saying your affirmation throughout this week. And let the recap worksheet be your tool to really reflect on what you've done already throughout these weeks and what is coming next for you. So let these tools guide you to manifest your dreams with clarity and joy. Congratulations on completing your week 4 of the Manifestation Masterclass. You've tapped into the cosmic dance of manifestation and there is no turning back. I want you to embrace the universe order form, infuse your dreams with love, and connect with specific people who light up your life. The universe is conspiring to make your dreams come true. Until we meet again, keep spreading love and envisioning your dreams and using the magic of manifestation to create the life you always dreamed of. You are a true cosmic creator. I'll see you soon.